Tips and examples on how to find a job without any work experience. Lack of experience does not stop you from finding any employment. It just means that you must approach your job hunt carefully. I can assist you in securing any job with these 4 tips. Well, that is if you follow them. Tip number 1. You have to concentrate on entry-level jobs. The first positions on a career path are entry positions. Entry positions do not require candidates to have a lot of professional experience, unlike more senior positions. As a result, limiting your search to entry-level positions will increase your chances of landing a job with the potential to progress. You can look for entry positions online on various job platforms and also see the videos in the link description there, and then you can just visit those sites and start your job hunt. Tip number 2, always work on your CV. I cannot emphasize this enough. When you have no experience, your CV is your chance to showcase the value you can provide your next employer. Even when they are advertising for the same positions, not all employers require the same set of skills, knowledge, or qualifications. Because of this, it is important that you tailor your CV for each and every individual position to which you are applying in order to increase your chances of getting an interview. I have attached linked to one of my videos to help you write a winning CV so that you can get your job. Tip number 3, gain experience through volunteering. Consider volunteering at a company that would give you the necessary experience. If you are having trouble identifying any relevant skills that will help you land any ideal career, reach out to some companies and request for your experimental work. Keep on requesting until you get something, because some will probably turn you down. Tip number 4, build a network. One of the best ways to find open positions and meet employers in person could be through your own network. Throughout your life and your career life, whether you are currently having an established network or not, you should make a habit of setting aside time to create connections with people. Being open-minded, friendly, and making as many friends as you can, this will help you build a strong network that will help you get employment, because they will know your job hunting and they will always refer you to open vacancies. I really wish you all the best in your job hunt. Please do not forget to subscribe and to refer other people to this video. Thank you.